Hi, my name is Prashant and today I will show you how to create a navbar component in Angular 2. So I have already set up the quick start application on my laptop. So I have opened this in Visual Studio Code, which is free from Microsoft. So let's get started with it. So what I am going to do is I am going to create a new folder over here with the name of components. After that I am going to add a new file for TS, and after that I will be adding a file for my HTML. So now in my TS file what I am going to do is I am going to copy the basic TS structure which we will be requiring for our component. There are few modifications that I need to make, like I will create my selector as navbar. I am going to make this template URL and I am going to point it to navbar dot component dot html. For this to be recognized by the compiler, we need to set the module ID, right? So we have got this. Let's rename our app component to navbar component. After doing this, I am going to go to bootstrap.com, get bootstrap. Going to the components page. After that I am going to copy that navbar. So let me copy this. And I will paste it in my HTML, right? So let's remove all the unnecessary or unrequired things. Or else we can leave it this way only. We just need to use it in our application. We are not going to get it to any production site or that kind of stuff. So after making these two changes in our component and TS file, HTML and TS file, what we need to do is we need to go to the module.ts file and we need to register our component. So for that we can use this way, that is navbar component from, I am going to refer to the components section with navbar dot component. Oops, spelling. Yeah, So after that I need to declare it in the declarations. So let me copy this and I will be pasting this over here. Now after we have registered this in our module file, now what we need to do is we need to go to our component.ts file and we will be just removing using the navbar here as a selector and the tag and now since I am using Bootstrap, so I need to refer some files, so I will be using some CDNs. Those CDNs I would be referring in my index.html page. So let me search for Bootstrap CDN. So now you can see that template is being displayed over here. I just need to include those CSS and JavaScript files. So here I have got this CDN Bootstrap CSS. So I am going to put it just before style.css. Paste it over here. Now there are two more files that I need in my application, that is like I need this jQuery file and for this, in order to work, we need to include our jQuery CDN. I think it was not copied. Let me copy this manually and I am going to update it over here. So now I should be able to see the navbar in my view. So there you go. We have very easily created a navbar component and integrated with our Angular 2 application. Thanks for watching the video.